If you got an ALT red arrow on your dashboard on your car, or if you got a battery light that stays on even after you started it and driving it, 9 times out of 10 it's an alternator issue, and it's not an issue with the battery. So of course when you have your car off and you turn it, before you turn it on, that light might come on, but if it stays on or comes on while you're driving, it means it's the alternator. And it doesn't matter what kind of vehicle you have. If you have a Nissan, Ford, Toyota, Hyundai, Kia, whatever you have, 9 times out of 10 it's the alternator. Now what an alternator does is it's responsible for the electrical components inside of a car. It's responsible for the radio, the air conditioner, the headlights, all the electrical systems, the security. And what happens is when the alternator starts failing, then that light will come on, and then you will see your front lights start to dim. You'll see the lights in your car start to fade out. The radio and air conditioner will start to come on and off. And what's happening is that the alternator is not able to charge the battery properly because it's basically failing. And then also another symptom of that is your battery keeps dying even though it reads as a good battery. It'll continue to die even though it's fully charged. The alternator is responsible for charging up the battery, and the battery in turn will power the electrical system, but it's all from the alternator. Now if you have to get the alternator replaced, the alternator itself, believe it or not, it's not that expensive, especially on newer cars. You can get them anywhere from like $150, $200. The labor, believe it or not, is not that difficult. You could see on YouTube how to do it. But let's face it, most of us are not mechanics, so it would probably charge you $300 or $400 to install it. So you're looking at about a $600 or $700 bill, but that should get you up and running. All right, so unfortunately, that most likely if you get those two lights, it is the alternator, and I'm sorry to break that to you. All right, thanks for watching.